You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in Eagle Rock. And we're checking out this place, Cloudy Garlic.
So they make specialty burgers, sandwiches. They got awesome soda lineup, and they sprinkle garlic on everything. Check this out, let's
Bring some garlic. So we didn't go overboard today. We only got two things, but they're huge. And right here, we got the I Am Legend burger. And then we also got the Beefaholic sandwich. My bad.
There you go, smash my phone. Oh, smash that.
So this is basically just a burger with corned beef. We got some peppers. And since we're at Cloudy Garlic, we got garlic bits all over it.
Yeah. So this place got like some really cool drinks, right? Like they have the old school Dr. Pepper bottle, pretty legit, and they got these like jelly bellies. That's a bunch of other stuff. It's awesome, man.
All right, so I want to start with the sandwich. These are Korean Beefaholics, so it's like beef bulgogi, some smoked Korean beef right here, with spinach, garlic, bean sprouts.
Ooh, that thing's hot. That thing's smoking, bro.
The bean sprouts make it really crunchy too, so that's good. It's like Korean barbecue.
Yeah. It's like Korean barbecue in a sandwich. And that garlic gives it a little crunch. The spinach is pretty legit. No, Booze Philly.
Oh, if you want to know about Booze Philly, check out that video right there. This is what I'm excited about, this I Am Legend burger. Look how big that burger is. And that's corned beef right there. Look how big that is. That's corned beef in the middle. With a fat beef patty. It's a double patty too. Melted cheese. That's money.
It looks good.
That's fucking bomb.
Watch that. Look at that. See how much meat he can put in his mouth? All I got was bread.
That's a winner right there.
I like that one. That one's a little too much, you know what I mean? Too much. Too much for the mouth.
I like that corned beef.
He's got expert level jaws. I ain't got that. But not bad. I like how they put these like greens. Greens make it good, man. Really good.
Yeah, it's not like that shredded lettuce bullshit. They put some real spinach.
Dr. Pepper.
And it's not even got the tangerine and the green apple.
I bust those open, bro. So I got a green apple and tangerine. Let's see what Jelly Belly got as a drink.
Oh, these are good.
Oh, it's not bad.
Wow.
You know, it'd be funny if they come out with their flavors that's like boogers, rotten eggs.
They should. That'd be awesome.
It'd be like the lingering aftertaste. Oh, it
Or
starts
little
as green
small
apple.
ones.
Starts as green apple, and then it works its way to like rotten egg. Game changer.
Oh. I still remember that challenge.
Call
Check
me
out
Jelly
that
Belly.
video.
Hit us up, Jelly Belly. That's it's an idea.
But I like how they serve their sandwiches and burgers in this frying pan.
And they sprinkle garlic on it. That's what they're known for.
Look at that frying pan right there.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave the information about this spot in the comments down below. If you have any other spots you want us to check out, man, dude, hit that comment box, dog. That comment box open all day long. We scan all of your messages. You know, we throw out, we talk, do all that stuff. Go ahead and leave information of the spots you want us to check out.
Or any challenges you want us to try.
And we'll check them out for you. He'll do all the challenges.
Or Trinell.
Yeah. But thanks for joining us today, man. This place is awesome. You guys got to check them out. Make sure you leave some comments. Let us know how we doing. 2019's on the rise, baby.
Also, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one.
But most of all, share this with your family and friends.
Because I love it.
Catch you on the next one.